up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Simple Minds, Don't You Forget About Me. And this works great on the acoustic guitar, standard tuning, you know, bar chords. It's perfect. Alright, so let's get to it. It starts with D major, 1, 2, 3, to E major. So that's the first two chords for the intro. And then we do D major again. And this time, instead of E major, we got E minor. 1, 2. And then C major. 1, 2, 3. To D. And then end with D to E. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, 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 A. D, minor, C, D, D, A. 1, 2, 3. E minor, C, D, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, and then that's going to take us to the verse, which is the verse is E major, D, A major, 1, 2, 3, back to E. So, you can do mostly downstrokes here. E major, D, A major. What is that? 3 parts. Intro. That's the first part. Minor, C, D, E. And then verse, downstrokes, muting with your right hand. That only happens one time in the song. That's after the first chorus. They go to C major. 1, 2, 3. C. 2, 3, 4. To G major. 1, 2, 3. To D. To A major. One more time. Again, D, A, 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 intro, D, E, D, E minor, C, D, D, E. Verse, E, D, A, D, with muting and downstrokes. Chorus, E, stay longer, E, D, A, D, with strumming. And then bridge, C major, G major, D major, to A. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow for more cool lessons. Be safe.